several decades, Morocco has consistently endeavored to enhance its educational sector, striving to align it with the recommendations set forth by the World Bank for the improvement of educational quality and development. Regrettably, these efforts have predominantly centered on teaching methodologies and curricula, largely overlooking the critical aspect of human resources, notably the educators themselves. Moroccan teachers have long grappled with meager incomes and formidable social challenges, which have neither supported their profession or motivated their active engagement in educational reform. In September, the Moroccan Ministry of Education introduced a new labor framework that regrettably failed to offer any privileges or incentives to the teaching workforce. In response, educators organized a peaceful demonstration on October 5 to express their discontent with the ministry's policies. Unfortunately, the Moroccan authorities responded with disproportionate force, leading to unlawful detentions and further exacerbating an already strained situation. Presently, the situation has grown increasingly complex, prompting teachers to plan an indefinite strike. This strike is anticipated to disrupt the education of approximately 7 million students until the Ministry of Education acknowledges their demands and attentively addresses their concerns.